Hey there, food lovers. Today we're diving into the world of macronutrients. Macronutrients are just the big three nutrients our bodies need to keep ticking. We're talking about carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. They're called macro because we need them in large amounts. Carbs give you quick energy, proteins help build and repair your body, and fats keep everything running smoothly. Understanding these macronutrients is key to eating well. It's not about cutting any of them out, it's about getting the right balance. Let's start with carbohydrates, or carbs for short. Carbs are your body's favorite source of energy. They're like the petrol for your car, they keep you moving. There are two main types of carbs, simple and complex. Simple carbs are like quick-release energy, found in fruit, honey, and sugar. Complex carbs are more like slow-release energy, found in whole grains, potatoes, and vegetables. Bread, pasta, rice, and cereals are all packed with carbs. Fruits and veggies are full of carbs too, along with lots of other good stuff. Even milk has some carbs in it. The key is to choose the right ones. Go for whole grains, fruits, and veggies most of the time. These give you energy plus lots of vitamins and fiber. Just remember, like with any food, it's all about balance. Next up, let's talk about proteins. If carbs are the fuel, then proteins are the building blocks. They're like the bricks and mortar that make up your body. Every cell in your body contains protein. It's used to build and repair tissues, make enzymes and hormones, and keep your muscles, bones, and skin healthy. Proteins are made up of smaller units called amino acids. There are 20 different amino acids, but 9 are essential and must come from food. Meat, fish, eggs, and dairy are great sources of protein. Plant-based proteins include beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and soy products like tofu. Everyone needs protein to stay healthy. Now, let's talk about fats. Fats have gotten a bad rap, but they're not the villain they're made out to be. Your body needs some fat to stay healthy. Fats help your body absorb certain vitamins, keep your skin healthy, and even help your brain work properly. There are different types of fats: saturated, unsaturated, and trans fats. Unsaturated fats are the good guys, found in olive oil, nuts, avocados, and fatty fish. These fats can help lower your risk of heart disease. Saturated fats, found in butter, cheese, and red meat, aren't as good for you in large amounts. Trans fats, often found in processed foods, are best avoided altogether. Healthy fats can be found in oily fish, nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. Even some vegetables like olives contain healthy fats. Remember, fats have more calories per gram than carbs or proteins, so it's easy to overdo it. The key is to choose healthy fats most of the time and enjoy them in moderation. A drizzle of olive oil on your salad, a handful of nuts as a snack, or some avocado on your toast can all be part of a healthy diet. Now that we've looked at each macronutrient, let's talk about how to put it all together. Eating well isn't about focusing on just one nutrient. It's about getting the right balance of all three. Most health organizations recommend getting about 45 to 65% of your calories from carbs, 10 to 35% from protein, and 20 to 35% from fats. A good rule of thumb is to fill half your plate with vegetables and fruits. Then, fill a quarter of your plate with lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, or tofu. The last quarter can be whole grains or starchy vegetables for more complex carbs. Add a small amount of healthy fat like a drizzle of olive oil or some avocado, and you've got a balanced meal. Try to eat different foods within each macronutrient group. Listen to your body and stop eating when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. And there you have it, folks. The lowdown on macronutrients. Carbohydrates are your body's go-to fuel source, giving you the energy to tackle your day. Proteins are the building blocks, helping to repair and build your body's tissues. And fats, far from being the bad guys, are essential for many bodily functions and help you absorb certain vitamins. The key takeaway here is balance. A healthy diet isn't about cutting out entire food groups or following the latest fad diet. It's about enjoying a variety of foods from all the macronutrient groups. It's about choosing whole, unprocessed foods most of the time, but also allowing yourself the occasional treat. Listen to your body, eat when you're hungry, and stop when you're satisfied. Here's to your health and to many delicious, nutritious meals ahead.